Thank you so much. Well, don't forget that it is Monday, which means another Wise Guys segment. So there is a big event happening this weekend we don't want you to miss, and it's going to be on the U of I's campus, their engineering open house. So we are joined now by our Wise Guy, Paul Kwiat, but also the co-chair of that particular event, Payman Sadat. We're glad that you're both here to make time for us this morning, but we want to get right into the details. Whoever wants to start first.
I'll let him take it away.
Payman, tell us, what can we get excited about this year?
Awesome, yeah. Thanks for having me on, everyone. So Engineering Open House is a two-day event. It's this Friday and Saturday, April 5th and 6th, and it's the largest student-run STEM fair in the country. So we have over 200 student-led engineering exhibits, over 20 special events, including our RoboBrawl BattleBots competition, rocket launches ran by the Illinois Space Society. We have car team demos where students have full-size vehicles that they've engineered, and they'll be racing them up and down a racetrack. And our keynote speaker this year that we have on Friday afternoon is Yu Pan, who's a university alumni, and he's the co-founder of PayPal, and he was one of the first software engineers at YouTube.
Oh my God.
And so yeah, we're really excited to have him come and speak to us.
Well, and are you an engineering student yourself, or were you in that world?
Yes, I'm a senior in bioengineering.
Congratulations to you, Payman. Walk us through what kind of gives you the passion for engineering. It seems like an intense field that might scare people, but what drew you to it?
Yeah, absolutely. I think in high school, I was just having like a fun time with mathematics and physics. Biology, chemistry, you know, like these.
It's rare.
Yeah. Well, I just thought they were enjoyable. But I think what really made me fall in love with engineering specifically is, you know, I witnessed how these subjects have the power to change people's lives and cure the sick, you know, solve disease, you know, clean energy. Like, there's just so many like amazing things that we can do by like applying these principles, and you know, it gives us the power to change the world. So,
and
yeah.
Paul, you're obviously hands-on at this open house too, but walk us through.
So actually, you might just want to say just a little bit more with the next slide about like where people go and what logistics and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
With the whole thing.
Yeah, so we can go to the last slide.
So we don't want people to miss it.
There we go.
Yeah, so please go to our website. It's eohillinois.org. We have all of our information on there. So just to recap, largest STEM fair in the country this weekend, Friday, April 5th, Saturday, April 6th. Parking, cars are able to park in lots B22, B4, and E14 at the university. And
that's all on the web. And that's all on the webpage. Yep.
Yes. And that should all be on the website too.
And it is free, right, to get in?
Absolutely.
Yes, it's free for anyone. Minors should be accompanied by an adult, but yes, admission is free for all.
Yeah. So there'll be thousands of people around.
I can believe it.
So there's also going to be some specific quantum-y stuff that's happening, and that's actually on the next slide. So a number of different things that are going to be occurring at the Materials Research Lab, which is on Goodwin Avenue, kind of Goodwin and Green. And there's going to be some iPad games that people can play around with, and a live demonstration of our public quantum network that people can be exposed to, some other cool demos, and wave levitation and other fun stuff like that. So that should be super fun. And then lastly, of course, I always wear my other hat or shirt. I don't have it on today, but anyway, that LabEscape will also be running there for the whole time, and people can
at the same time.
People can sign up at the same time, all day, missions all day, Saturday and Sunday. And in fact, if you book with the code EOH 2024, it will be completely free for this weekend in honor of EOH and the fabulous research that we have going on at the university.
Well, and I just wanted to ask, how many years have we done this open house?
I think it's around 103.
103 years.
Yeah, it started around in the 1920s.
Okay, and so you're just proud to be a part of it for 2024?
Yes, of course.
And now coming back after COVID, and so we're expecting again thousands and thousands of people here. It's a super fun time on campus.
Absolutely.
Right, looking forward to this week. And anything else we need to know, Payman or Paul? Or?
I think that's probably it.
Yeah, I think that covers everything.
Right, well, we can't thank you enough both for coming in and sharing this with us.
Of course, thank you for having us on.
Absolutely, my friend.